Are you wondering how to transfer your USDT from Safe Wallet to KuCoin? In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the entire process, from accessing your Safe Wallet to successfully depositing USDT into your KuCoin account. Let's dive in.
This is presented to you by Education 4708. Just proceed to view the full content.
Before we begin, here's a quick overview of what we'll be doing. 1. Accessing your Safe Wallet securely. 1. Finding your USDT balance. 1. Retrieving your KuCoin deposit address. 1. Transferring USDT from Safe Wallet to KuCoin. A critical warning, never share your recovery phrase with anyone. It's the master key to your funds. For this tutorial, I will not ask for your recovery phrase, and you should never enter it on unofficial platforms. Step 1. Open Safe Wallet. Launch the Safe Wallet app on your device. Enter your PIN or biometrics to unlock the wallet. If you're restoring your wallet on a new device, select Import Wallet, and enter your 12 or 24-word recovery phrase. Ensure you're on the official Safe Wallet app to avoid scams. Step 2. Locate your USDT. Once inside the wallet, go to the Assets or Tokens section. Search for USDT and confirm you have the correct balance. If you don't see USDT, you may need to add it manually by using the Add Token feature and selecting the appropriate blockchain, commonly Ethereum ERC20 or Tron TRC20. Step 3. Get your KuCoin deposit address. 1. Open the KuCoin app or website and log in. 1. Go to Assets. Deposit and select USDT. 1. Choose the correct network, ERC20 for Ethereum or TRC20 for Tron, matching your Safe Wallet. Important. Always double-check the network type. Sending USDT on the wrong chain can result in permanent loss. Step 4. Initiate the transfer. 1. Return to Safe Wallet and select your USDT balance. 1. Tap Send and paste your KuCoin deposit address. 1. Choose the correct network and enter the amount of USDT you want to send. 1. Review the details carefully and confirm the transaction. Depending on network traffic, your USDT should arrive within a few minutes for Tron, TRC20, or up to 30 minutes for Ethereum, ERC20. Step 5. Check the status. In Safe Wallet, view the transaction history to monitor the progress. On KuCoin, go to Assets. Deposit history to track incoming funds. If there's a delay, check the transaction on a blockchain explorer. For ERC20, etherscan.io. For TRC20, tronscan.org. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your USDT from Safe Wallet to KuCoin. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.